In order to assure coding standards through the Topaz Workbench, we can do that easily by checking our quality gates through the integrations with SonarLint. So to get SonarLint integrated into the Topaz Workbench, first we'd go to Help, Install New Software, and input the site to install the SonarLint from. So here I can add available software sites. You can see I've got the SonarLint listed. And then we can add that in and go through that available software process there. Once it's installed, in order to see some of those perspectives or windows, we will click on the window and Show View, click on Other, and you can see in the list here, scroll down until you see the SonarLint, expand that, and we have different views available to us now that SonarLint is integrated into Topaz. We see the bindings, SonarLint issue locations, on the fly, report, and rule descriptions. So I've already opened a couple of these up, and I can see the SonarLint bindings here. So this is where we bind it to an instance of your Sonar Cube. And that's where it will get your quality checks and coding standards available from your site. So to be able to check on some of those standards, let's swap over to the Project Explorer view. And I've already created a project where I've included the source code and the copybooks. So I'll expand our source code, and I see different data sets there. So let's right click on one of our source code members, and now within this context sensitive menu you'll now see SonarLint. So if I just want to analyze this one member, we'll click on that. We can see down in the bottom right that it is processing the analysis for that particular member. And it will open us up the SonarLint report view and show us any quality gates or checks that it has caught and update us that way. Another way to be able to do it is if I were to just open up a member. So I'll double click on this and it will open it up in the edit view up above. Notice it'll prompt me to download the copybooks, and I'll say yes because I have already created a copybook concatenation list. So it knows the copybooks available for this. I can see I am missing some. I could add those in or just ignore. And since this was an on the fly, if we click over to the on the fly SonarLint tab, then we see the quality checks listed here for this particular source code. So I can see my resource is the PDA001, which is the one that I have open up above. And if I want to click on any of these conditions listed below, it'll take us to that point in the source code up within the edit window, and also keep everything in sync with the outline view as well. So again, two different ways to do it: either right click and analyze, or just open up that source code, have it do an analysis on the fly, and then if you need to make your changes, and then you can reanalyze that code and catch any of the coding standards or changes that you might need to make. So being able to use the integration with SonarLint, again, bind it to your cube and use it within Topaz. Thank you.